Hello from everyone here at Nishil Agrochem, where experience meets commitment. Have you ever wondered why Nishil Agrochem stands out? It's simple. We're not just a business. We are your trusted partner for all your industry needs. Today, Nishil Agrochem stands out as a seasoned marketing and sourcing entity, offering a wide range of business services. But why choose us as your sourcing or marketing partner? Some of our services include primary product technical knowledge, data collection, market intelligence, and more. We go above and beyond with our value-added services like customer and market insights, rate negotiation, and much more. So you can worry less and grow more. Nishil Agrochem was founded by the late Mr. Gautam Shah, a visionary whose dedication shaped the very fabric of our organization. Our journey began in 1965 with a vision fueled by commitment and a promise of unparalleled service. Evolving from humble origins, we have navigated the challenges of introducing and successfully establishing demanding products in the market. We started our journey with the supply chain of edible oils in the food industry. In 1983, we embraced change by expanding into the chemicals industry, laying the groundwork for innovation in the Indian filter aid market, showing our adaptability and ambition. Our business presence spans over a variety of industries, from edible oils to industrial chemicals, filter aids, and aromatic products. From selling a modest 2 to 5 barrels of edible oil per day to achieving an annual volume of 1 lakh metric tons of edible oils and allied agro products, as well as 50,000 tons of chemicals and allied products. Our team is at the heart of our organization, from personal attention to efficient service, high-tech solutions, and unparalleled post-sale service. We have got it all covered. Customer orientation, transparency, and dependability are our core values, rooted from the beginning. We believe in mutual trust, which is essential for sustained growth that supports our growing together philosophy. That is the reason why our esteemed clients trust us. Our team is trained to handle challenging situations, making sure you get appropriate solutions for specific problems. Regular training sessions and monthly interactive meetings keep us updated on new practices and challenges faced by our team. At Nishil Agrochem, our clientele ranges from small and unorganized companies to large corporates and multinational corporations, providing us a unique advantage in the marketplace. Our customers vary in size, industry, and application. They have complete faith in us by trusting us with rate negotiations. Our clients and vendors keep coming back to us because we assume full responsibilities. We commit to on-time delivery, eliminate the need for constant follow-ups, which ensures their peace of mind, aligned with Make in India. Our 2030 vision targets fourfold growth through mutually beneficial partnerships and diverse product marketing. Join us at Nishil Agrochem. Take your journey to the next level with a partner you can trust. Connect with us for reliability and excellence. Most importantly, let's grow together.